हामी हेर्नेछौँ exercise 4.1 को question number 2. So question number 2 ले भन्छ represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. Just represent in the quadratic equation, don't need to solve. So this is an important thing, यो धेरै important छ, महत्त्वपूर्ण छ, किन भन्दाखेरि after reading this type of question you have to make the quadratic equation बनाउनु पर्यो and solve गर्नु पर्यो. In exams like this types of comes question, so you have to solve. So this if you यदि you can make this thing in a quadratic equation, it will be very helpful. So the area of the rectangular plot is 528 meter square area. So rectangular plot ko area ko formula cha length and breadth. So let L be the L and B, small letter B, be the length and breadth of rectangular plot respectively. So L length bhanau and B breadth bhanau. Then as per question ले भनेको जस्तै the area of the area equals to 528 meter square. Now length into breadth भनेको चाहिँ 528 meter square. Okay, now next thing cha, the length of the plot is so length of the plot is equals to is one more twice भनेको 2 ले into its breadth. So given next is length is one more twice its breadth. So as per the now so equation 1 equation 2. So L को भ्यालु यहाँ लगायो भने हाम्रो in terms of B भेरिएबल हुन्छ र हाम्रो quadratic equation पनि भइहाल्छ. Put L equals to 1 plus 2B in sorry यसलाई equation 1 लेखौँ फर्स्ट माको in equation 1. Then हाम्रो let us write equation 1 once more. So length भनेको 1 plus twice B भनेको छ into B. So B ले multiply गर्नु पर्यो. B1 जा B, 2B square equals to 528. If you bring 528, B plus 2B square minus 528 equals to 0. The plus or 2B square plus B minus 528 equals to 0. So this is your required quadratic equation for this question. So you should be able to make a quadratic equation from this type of question. You have a quadratic equation बनाउन सक्नु पर्यो and then you have to solve it. So the thing in this question just represent मात्रै भनेको छ quadratic equation. So this is your answer for this question number 2 को 2. Just represent the following situation in the quadratic equation मा represent गर्नु. The product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. So the important thing is consecutive. Consecutive भनेको के हो? Consecutive means if 2 छ भने 3 हुन्छ, 16 छ भने 17 हुन्छ, 20 छ भने 21 हुन्छ. Consecutive integers मेलैसँग आउने. So we must consecutive integers को pattern बनाउनु पर्यो. Let the consecutive in positive integer b x एउटा x भयो भने अर्को हुन्छ x plus 1. So एउटा x भयो भने अर्को यदि 2 भयो भने 2 plus 1 3 अर्को हुन्छ. So x and x plus 1 के भन्दैछ त प्रोडक्ट है. सो यो दुईटा मल्टिप्लाई गरे भने चाहिँ 306 आउँछ एज पर क्वेशन. As per question, x र x plus 1 consecutive integers multiply गर्यो भने 306 आउँछ. Okay, so this is consecutive भन्ने साथ you should put in mind x plus 1 एउटा x भयो भने अर्को x plus 1 हुन्छ. इभन नम्बर भन्यो भने x भयो भने अर्को x plus 2 गर्नु पर्यो. Okay, Likewise, so x square plus x equals to 306, or x square plus x minus 306 equals to 0. So this is your required quadratic equation. To go question number 3, again the importance, you have to make a quadratic equation and you have to solve it. But यसमा खाली हामीलाई क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेसन मात्रै बनाऊ भन्दैछ. बट इन एक्जाममा के आउँछ, सेम क्वेसन बट यु हेभ टु फाइन्ड द भ्याल्यु अल्सो. त्यहाँनिर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेसन भनेर भ्याल्यु पनि खोज्नु पर्छ. सो लेट्स लर्न हाउ टु मेक द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेसन. क्वेसन नम्बर 3, रोहन मदर इज 26 इयर्स ओल्ड. रोहन मदर चाहिँ 26 इयर्स ओल्डर देन हिम. ऊ जति छ त्योभन्दा 26 इयर्स लेटर. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. So we would like to find the Rohan's present age. Rohan present age निकाल्नु भन्दैछ. So mother's को age चाहिँ रोहन माथि डिपेन्ड छ, 26 years older भन्दैछ. So solution, let the present age of Rohan be x भनौँ, then mother's age, उसको आमाको एज चाहिँ हुन्छ, रोहन मदर्स is 26 years older than him, 26 older, so x plus 26. So this is our first as per question. Now the product of their age, उनीहरू दुईजनाको एज इन्टु गऱ्यो भने चाहिँ just 3 years from now, after 3 years. So after 3 years, yes, after 3 years we'll get 3 years older, 3 वर्ष ओल्ड हुन्छ. सो रोहन्स एज हुन्छ x plus 3, since x लिएको थियो x plus 3 हुन्छ. मदर्स एज will be x plus 26 plus 3, which is x plus 29 हुनेछ. So product of this age 3 वर्ष बादमा x plus 3 र x plus 29 हुनेछ. यो दुईटा इन्टु गर्दा चाहिँ 360 आउँछ. So as per question, x plus 3 3 वर्ष बाद र x plus 29 3 वर्ष बाद चाहिँ दुईजनाको एज चाहिँ 360. अगेन मल्टिप्लिकेसन, x स्क्वायर प्लस 29x प्लस 3 ले 3x प्लस 3 9 जा 27, 3 2 6 7 8 9, 3 9 जा 27, 3 2 6 7 8, okay sorry 8 equals to 360. So x square 29 30 31 32, 32x plus 87 minus 360 equals to 0. X square plus 32x and minus हुन्छ 7 8 9 10, 3 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 7 र 2 भएको छ 2. So you can subtract it also. So this is the quadratic equation the question is asking, and if you solve it, x भनेको present age हो रोहनको. So you will get the value of x present age and the mother 26 जोड्यो भने मदरको एज निकाल्न सकिहाल्छ. Okay, question number 4. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. So एउटा ट्रेन 480 किलोमिटर डिस्टेन्स कुद्दैछ at a uniform speed. If the speed has been 8 km/h less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. So 3 घण्टा ज्यादा लाग्छ भन्दैछ. We need to find the speed of the train. So solution, let the speed of train be x. Then speed of train x भयो भने time taken, let us say t1 equals to distance by speed. Okay, time taken equals to distance, speed equals to distance by time, or time taken equals to distance by speed. Now यो फर्स्ट सेन्टेन्सले हामीले the equation बनायौँ है for if the speed has been 8 kilometer less. So as per question speed चाहिँ now the speed is 8 kilometer hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. So time taken t2 equals to 480 by x minus 8. So t2 time taken would be t1 plus 3. टाइम जति लिएको थियो यसमा पुग्नको लागि 480 मा त्यसमा अझै 3 घण्टा ज्यादा लिन्छ भनेछ. सो लेट अस पुट द भ्यालु t2 इक्वल्स टु 480 बाई x minus 8 equals to 480 by x plus 3. Again understanding the concept, time taken t2 ले चाहिँ 3 hour more को भन्दा पहिला भन्दाखेरि पहिलाको टाइम छ यो त्यो भन्दाखेरि 3 अझै आवर ज्यादा लिन्छ भन्दैछ. Now let us bring 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x equals to 3. So solving 1x minus 8 minus 1 by x equals to 3. You can cut 3 and यो पनि 480 र यो सिम्प्लिफाई गर्दा हुन्छ. 3 1 जा 3 3 1 जा 3 1 गयो 3 1 जा 3 6 जा 18 3 3 6 जा 18 3 0 जा 0. Now 160, let us LCM it. So x and x, if we close this two things, only x will remain and x we can write here, and x if we close x there will be x minus 8 remaining equals to 1 1 is there. Okay, now we can send this to the numerator and we can solve this. 160 x minus x plus 8 divided by x square minus 8x. So we solve it also, equals to 1. So you काट्यो, you can say 160 into 8 भाज्यो यो 1 सँग मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा okay 0 8 6 48 8 1 8 19 11 12 equals to x square minus 8x, or send it to another side, x square minus 8x minus 1280, or x minus 8x minus 1280 equals to 0. So this is what the question is telling. Okay, this is your quadratic equation. Now if you solve for x by quadratic formula or by factorization, middle term break, you can have the speed.